Hi guys, it's Amanda. I'm back with another unboxing. This time it's from Metaphysical Creations. Jen reached out to me, wanted me to do an unboxing on my channel, and I just was thrilled because not many people have reached out to me wanting to do an unboxing, so I'm really excited to get into this. She's in Canada, but they do ship worldwide. She's an empath, a healing arts specialist. Everything is made with love. Everything gets cleansed before leaving to get shipped to you. It's also vegan and cruelty free. So let me start unboxing. Came in a little box like this. I'm really excited. Well, right away, as soon as I open up the box, something smells really good in it, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Got a little pouch. These are cute. These are her little business cards. And on the back it says healing, serenity, and balance for the mind, body, and soul. And I'll put all the information down below. And it has all her email and everything on here, and where she's from, and all that stuff. And the first thing is a little lip balm. It's organic. It's organic honey and vanilla. The ingredients are beeswax, grapeseed oil, vanilla, essential oil, and honey. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. Oh my god, it smells really good. You can really smell the honey in it. The honey and the vanilla. She mixed. And she has everything really nicely packaged, so, and everything's pretty, has like stuffing in it, and it's pretty blue paper. It's very relaxing. Let's see what this is. The next item is makeup setting spray. Ooh, I needed some of this. Spring water and organic vegetable glycerin. Ooh. So it definitely will be good for your skin. Ooh, she sent me wax melts. What? And I'll link down below her website and where you can get the products from, so you guys don't have to worry about it. Oh my god, that smells so good. Can't even get it out of the thing yet. This first one is a cedar white willow scent. Oh my god. I love cedar, and I don't know how she knew that, but I really like that one. Oh, I just realized, is this glass? No, that's not glass. I thought it was glass at first. This one is green grass. That one I'm not a fan of. Sorry, Jen. I don't really like that one. But the cedar white willow one smells really good. Then we have chocolate orange. Oh my god. It smells just like those Christmas oranges. The ones that you can get in your stocking. Chocolate oranges. Oh, that smells so good. What is the next thing? I feel like it's Christmas, like early Christmas. Like I'm really excited. This is really cool. I've never done this before. liquid gold perfume oil, and it says uses needed for relaxation and release of negative energy. Sage, cedar, frankincense, dragon's blood, and grapeseed oil. Ooh. That's a very light scent, and this is not sticky at all. Oh, I like that. It smells really, really good. Ooh, Himalayan lavender bath salts. And it's a nice little tin. That is strong lavender. Yeah. I can't wait to take a bath now. I really am due for a bath, especially with my fibromyalgia acting up with the weather. Ooh, and smudge spray. Now, you guys probably already know, but I'm just going to say anyway, I'm a practicing Wiccan. And you can get a lot of your supplies from this website too, also. This is really cool. It has white sage, cedar, frankincense, dragon's blood, grapeseed oil, spring water, and clear quartz crystal. Oh, there's a little crystal in there. Oh, that is so cool. It has a little tassel. That's so cute. Well, thank you so much, Jen. I can't wait to melt my wax melts. As far as I can tell, like, I love everything so far, and everything smells wonderful except for the green grass. But maybe somebody might like that smell. I'm just giving you my honest opinion. If you guys have any questions or comments, or have any other unboxings you guys would like to see, just let me know in the comments below. And I hope everybody is having a good holiday season and being safe. So I will end this video now, and I hope everybody's taking care of themselves right now, and have a blessed be, and have a good, safe, and happy New Year. Bye.